It says here, Fabian wants to find the slope of the graph below. Which of the following characteristics best describe the linear function slope? Select all that apply. All right, well, look at the graph below. You can see it's moving upwards. When we look at slope, we always look at what's happening as I move to the right. So as I move right, the graph is moving up. We call that a positive slope. So that's going to be A. It's not negative. I'm crossing out B. A negative slope would be pointing downwards like so. All right, next. C is greater than 1 or less than 1. And then B is between 1 and -1, inclusive. All right, this is where it gets a little tricky. You actually have to calculate the slope. Let's take a closer look. As I move 1 unit to the right, so at 0, right, at x equals 0, my point is 3. The y is 3. So one of my points is 0, 3. And then as I move 1 unit to the right, my point becomes 4. So I have 1, 4. Well, slope is rise over run. So the rise, in this case, is 3 to 4, which is a rise of 1. And then the run goes from 0 to 1, which is also just 1. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. The slope is exactly 1. Let's go back through the answers. C says greater than 1 or less than -1. It is not greater than 1, and it is not less than -1. That's not the answer. D says between 1 and -1, inclusive. Inclusive means it could be one of those boundary points, and so D is our correct answer, along with A.